Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you through the process of performing a factory reset on your Windows 11 laptop. Whether you're looking to resolve performance issues or start fresh, a factory reset can be incredibly useful. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Back up your data. Before we begin, it's crucial to back up any important files or documents on your laptop. Performing a factory reset will erase all data, so ensure that your files are saved to an external storage device or uploaded to the cloud. Step 2. Open the settings. To initiate the factory reset process, we need to access the settings on your Windows 11 laptop. You can do this by clicking on the Start button, typically located in the lower left corner of the screen, and then selecting the Settings gear icon. Step 3. Access the System menu. Within the Settings menu, you'll find various categories. Look for the one called System and click on it. This menu contains several options related to your laptop's configuration. Step 4. Choose Recovery. In the System, this will take you to the recovery settings. Step 5. Select the Reset This PC option. Within the recovery settings, you'll find an option called Reset This PC. Click on it to proceed with the factory reset process. Step 6. Choose Reset Options. After selecting Reset This PC, a new window will open with two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. The first option allows you to keep your personal files while removing apps and settings, while the second option will wipe everything on your laptop. Step 7. Confirm your reset choice. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice and proceed with the factory reset process. You may be prompted to provide additional confirmation to ensure you're aware of the consequences. Step 8. Begin the factory reset. Once you confirm, your laptop will start the factory reset process. This may take some time, so be patient and avoid interrupting the process. Step 9. Follow on-screen prompts. During the factory reset process, your laptop will display on-screen prompts and instructions. It's essential to carefully read and follow these instructions to ensure a successful reset. Step 10. Set up your laptop. After the factory reset is complete, your laptop will restart and present you with the initial setup screen. Follow the instructions to set up your preferences, language, user accounts, and other settings. And there you have it. Performing a factory reset on your Windows 11 laptop is a powerful tool to resolve issues and start fresh. Just remember to back up your important files, carefully follow the on-screen prompts, and exercise patience throughout the process. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy resetting!